We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 12 foot straight deck utility trailer with 6 foot mesh sides. Up front, you do have your jack coupler and safety chains. Has your spare tire holder here, as well as your breakaway system. There are tie down points that are built in. This does have 6 feet of mesh side. We have your tandem axles. It has 2 Greaseable 3,500 pound axles with 15-inch wheels and tires with brakes on the rear. Your black diamond plate fenders. The lighting is all LED. This does have a straight deck. It's going to be a spring assisted rear loading gate. And once again, this is the 6.4 by 12 foot straight deck utility trailer with 6 foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.